Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Tonight, Appa has a beautiful pomfret fish today. It is quite big, so I decided to cut it into cutlet. Then only I fry it, so that the frying process can be more efficient. I can make it more char. The more char, the better for me, especially for this dish. Yeah, all the what do you call this? Is it fins? All the fins will actually taste super nice. I did marinate the fish with a little bit of fine salt. Yeah. First of all, heat up the oil until smoking point. Then we can put in the fish. After you put in the fish, let it fry for at least 2 minutes on the first side. Then only you flip it over, yeah? Keep it on medium-high heat and we shall come back shortly. So this is after the first 2.5 minutes. Okay, it doesn't stick to the wall, but usually it can stick to each other quite easily. Oh, look at the beautiful golden brown color. So we shall give another side another about 2.5 minutes, then done. This is after another 2-3 minutes. I'm going to flip it one more round just to get the charness I'm looking for. Alright, I have standby an oil absorbing paper at the side. It is actually kitchen towel. So I'm going to take it out. Last minute, I decided to make some sauce. Yeah, a very simple one. I'm going to put in some fragrance oil. Mine is actually a mixture between fried ginger and also fried garlic. Once it is heated up, we can actually put in some water. So now this broth is already flavored. I'm adding in some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder to turn it into a chicken stock. Those interested can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any Aviat restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. Then I'm going to add in a bit of Shaoxing wine. This is optional. Let's tune down the fire a bit. I'm going to give it a little bit of fine salt. A bit of light soy sauce. Let me add a bit more water. Some oyster sauce. A bit of premium Vietnamese fish sauce. For the color, I'm going to add in a little bit of dark soy sauce. Not too much. And let's bring it to a boil. And where's my sugar? And a little bit of fine sugar. Make some starch solution. Off the fire. Let's give it a starch solution here. Fragrant, very fragrant. You can make it thicker if you like, yeah? Usually Appa will not make it too thick. I'm not a starch person. So here's my fish. And let me drench with the sauce. You can put some tauchu inside if you like, optional. Garnish it with some spring onion. Ooh, beautiful. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.